Welcome to another episode of Restoring the 1970 Prowler travel trailer. We've got a very bad roof to deal with, worst I've ever seen actually. But first things first, you've got to repair the support beams on the inside of the trailer before you do anything with the outside upper. So the wrong way to do this is I originally started with some straight boards across and they would work, I guess. And then I was going to shove some furring strips up on top to give a little side to side slope so the water would run off the roof. Slide some boards through here to kind of prop it up a little, but that didn't work well at all. I didn't like that design. So as you can see here, the whole roof is just bowed down, and that leads to water puddling up top, water puddling around the air conditioner, and that's just a guaranteed leak all the way around. So then I said, okay, let's bow some wood here and give some side to side slope, and this will give us about 3 inches more of headroom if we do this. So these are 1x4s that one by fours you can build. So I wet them down, let them stay wet for a couple hours. Then I crammed them against the wall of the garage to get a bend out of it and let them dry overnight. And then it gave it a little bit of a bend. But really the best way is to cut a 2x4 and put a curve in a 2x4, not bend it. So here I use one of those bender boards, and then I use that as a template to draw a line on this 2x4 and then cut out an arc out of the 2x4 itself and then use that on the roof. So again, just draw a line along there. So here it is cut. You can see the slope that it's got on the top and the bottom. It's really ugly, but it works. And again, it's just you cut along, and here I pushed it up against the roof, and it gives side to side slope. Water can run off the side, and it's very strong. It'll support an air conditioner, so it's very strong. This is really the right way to do it, the very best right way to do it.